So we're approaching the island now. There's two gaps, as I said. The first one just coming up to, I'll show you in a moment.
So we're just coming up to this gap that's like, you know, a little bit nerve-wracking because it's a gap between two islands. But yeah, let's see how it is, I guess. Here it is on the chart. It's just that little shallow bit there, otherwise it's okay.
Well, my chart plotter gives us a couple of lines to follow through this gap. The first one's 72.2 degrees. I don't know how I'm supposed to steer 0.2 of a degree, but I'm sure they don't mean it that seriously. But follow the line, certainly. A lot of rocks around. A lot of rocky stuff either side of us, and some place you want to get right, really.
Rocks on the other side too. I'm steering a compass course of 72 roughly. If I was concentrating more on my steering, I would be doing it better, I think. But yeah, just follow Dad. He hasn't hit anything yet. So.
Looks like we should be through. Now we want to come around to that course there, whatever that course there is. Come around like that. Oh! Whoa, man! So there we go, tried and get us on course. Oh, the camera.
Yeah, depth is fallen to 5 meters now. Look at those rocks behind me there. I mean, I would come through here if it was crazy. Dad's dead now. Okay. He's on his way that way. So he's past the really shallow bit. I'm still in it, but really shallow. Okay, we're dropping now 0.9 meters. Yeah, it's not with that. I'm also looking very cool, as I can see in the camera here. Just trying to not get blinded by the sun, but also have really good vision on my plotter and my depth sound at 3.6 meters. Ah! Oh, it's a little shallow for going on the sail, I think. It's fine when you want to anchor, but when you're sailing over somewhere, I feel like that's so shallow. Okay, but it's getting deeper again. Look at this countryside though, it's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Got a little carol feed. At least I'm out from in between the rocks. Okay, I've been my turn now to drive. And now we're on the next course through the shallows. For our anchorage on the other side of this island here. So through the gap, into the wind, heading for the anchorage now. Got the motor on and just took the mainsail down. We've got some crazy fog rolling in. Let me show you this. Very sudden. So yeah, hopefully we can get the hook down before that comes in. But yeah, with today's technology that's not really such a big deal, but it would be nice to see where we are, really. We probably still would be able to, it's probably not a big deal. And this is the anchorage. That's just anchoring now. It's a tad bit windy, so hopefully you can hear. I'm trying to shield the microphone. It's kind of foggy, but you can't see anything. So, there we go.
Well, I had to re-anchor. I wasn't happy with the first spot, but and of course it was right in the gustiest part of the day. But that's the nature of the beast. Wind is forecast to drop. It'd be nice when it does. There's Hazel over there. Look at this review. which is very beautiful. Look at this water. That is crystal, isn't it? What a beautiful spot this is. Oh, there's my anchor. Okay, well it's quite well dug in. Clear as a bell. Beautiful morning. Well guys, very briefly before we get into this week's video, we crossed the 10,000 subscriber mark last week, so I want to say a massive thank you to everybody who subscribed. Of course, an even bigger thank you to the lovely people who support us on Patreon. A big thank you to Hazel, who between her time working to earn her cruising kitty and studying part-time for a degree in biology, still finds time to film incredible footage for these videos. As I say, thank you to all of you. You put a big smile on my face. Let's get to it. So a sheet block broke on my foresail yesterday. I'm just going to pull it up and have a look. Fairly minor by the looks of it. Just get the block out and get it back on. So that should be attached to a block, and that block should be on there. So let's just get that together. And what's happened is the pin come out of the block, so that the split pin or whatever must have come apart. So that needs to go through there like that. I don't know how that split pin could come apart. It's probably one of those round pins, but nonetheless, it's quite an achievement to come apart like that. Well, that's what I've achieved so far. That'll do. Well, sadly, we're leaving that beautiful spot. It's wind forecast for tomorrow, so best to go into a marina really. This one just a couple of miles down the way, 2.5 miles, something like that. So we're going to pop in there. It's a chance to empty bins properly and all of that stuff, and have a secure berth for the breezy stuff. And hopefully we'll get back here later this week, or early this week perhaps.
Marina di Stintino, this is sailing vessel Alania Wallion.
So very lovely. It's wonderful. There's that wind that we came into the marina to shelter from. This is stronger than the forecast, no. This is, yeah, enormous waves crashing. This is 50 knots. It's a bit breezy today, but it's a glorious spot. The town's lovely.
Stintino. That's where we are.
What's it called?
Stintino, Marina.
Yes. We've got this little path up to town here, up these stairs. I like this one with the cabin. That's particularly pleasant. One wheel on my wagon, I'm still rolling along. There's a bit of wooden boat work going on here. I guess they're small fishing boats. We have to do a few repairs. Very cool. That'll break. It's a long sprit that though, isn't it? It sticks out significantly this end and a bit forwards. Clearly they have a Latin rig event, sailing event here. Last year, 14th of August 24. Sorry, year before last. Yeah, it's obviously a big thing here. So one's actually left the sail on the spar. Well, that worked out very well. 4 days of wind sheltering. Now it's come, forecast looks good for the next 4 or 5 days. So we're going back to the anchorage by the little island. And then of course I've got to head back to Germany for my doctor's appointment. So we're going into Marina, or at least I'm going into Marina to leave the boat while I fly home, doctor's check-up, come back for some more. It's a lovely day, quite warm. We're just done the fenders and dock lines, warmed me right up. Very, very nice.